Hi, Brian Studwell here with Lightware at the Lightware booth, where we're showing up a USB-C for every budget. So we've been leaders in USB over the past decade or so, and we want to know that we have a solution that fits every budget, all the way from a USB-C to HDMI cable at the lower end, and then we're introducing a USB-C booster, which can actually add 12 meters of extension to your system if you just need to add power to that USB. Next, we have a USB-C and HDMI switcher that you can use in a system that you don't need host control, but we do have a control system built into that, so you can still control the devices within your space. Beyond that, we have another switcher where we actually don't have a control system. So the wonderful thing about Lightware is we actually believe in a completely open API. So if you want to have a system where you're using our switchers for USB-C, but you're controlling it via a third-party control system and don't need a control, you can do that. As we go up the line here, we actually then add the control system back in. So even those small huddle spaces where you might only need a 1x1, so you have a USB-C connection, you have your power charging coming over that, your AV, all through the USB-C, but it also have that control system, and you have the capabilities of what we can do with our controls. And finally, we get to what our true bread and butter product is, our Taurus UCX line of products. The nice thing about the Taurus UCX, you get charging, you have a USB-C hub built into this, you have AV over the audio and video over the USB-C, you also have your Ethernet data available if you want that, and you have our LoRa control system built in. So come by the Lightware booth at InfoComm, and if you can't make it to the booth, always look us up on www.lightware.com. Thanks.